Welcome to Wrigley's Electronics, where your imagination can turn into innovations. Good day, and welcome to Wrigley's Electronics. So today, I will show you my first educational project, which is this electronic quiz game. And to use this product, first, you must insert the 9 volts battery. As you can see, all of the buttons will light up. So in order to turn off that, you must press the master switch. So when you use this product, you must first test the individual switches by clicking them and test if the other buttons are still lighting up. So if the other buttons are still lighting up, then it is malfunctioning. So next, so the advantage of this product is that whenever someone pushes the button first, the other buttons will not light up. So if you are the host of the quiz game, when one contestant pushes the button first, the other buttons will not light up. So it can only be switched off by clicking the master switch. So this product can be used in a wide variety of purposes. It could be from games to educational purposes or other things. So you can have this product for a price of 550 pesos. You can contact me at my cell phone number, which is 0907-4066-5K2, and on my Facebook account, Wrigley Pasha. Thank you. Good day, and welcome back to Wrigley's Electronics. So today I'm gonna show you one of my educational projects or product, which is this electronic tracing device, which is powered by any 5 volts adapter. So the principle of this device is this series of LED lights will illuminate the drawing into a blank paper. So in order to use this, you should plug in its USB cable into any USB adapter. Then you should place the ones with the drawing at the back of the blank paper. So as you can see, the drawing is illuminated. So this device can be used for educational purposes or other purposes which require duplicating an exact copy of the drawing. So you can have this device for a price of 600 pesos, and you can contact me at the details below. Good day, and welcome back to Wrigley's Electronics. So today, I'm gonna show you my latest product, which is this 32 by 8 LED matrix. So this product arose from a quote that I have read from a billboard, which says that a business without a sign is a sign of no business. Because this product will let you convey messages that you want to pass to your customers in order for them to get persuaded by what you are offering, either product or service. So this product is powered by 5 volts USB power. So when you plug it into a power box or any USB adapter, you will see that it is scrolling text. For this text, it scrolls the word hello. Lights off please. Okay. So this product also offers you the ability to change the scrolling text by connecting it with your smartphone. So in this app, when you connect it into this device, as you can see, when I send this text Wrigley's Electronics into this product, you will see that it will change its scrolling text. Like that, please. Okay. So this product is available for a price of 2,500 pesos. So you can contact me at the details below. Good day and welcome back to Wrigley's Electronics. So today, I'm going to showcase one of my home automation products, which is this remote controlled extension cord. So this extension cord allows you to individually control 4 appliances with the use of remotes. So in order to use this product, we will use this light bulb as a test object in order to test its functionality. So for the first socket, second, third, and fourth. So you can also turn on or off 4 sockets altogether. Or turn it off. So you can have this device for a price of 1,500 pesos, and you can contact me at the details below. Good day and welcome back to Wrigley's Electronics. So today, I'm going to showcase my home automation product, which is this clap switch activated device. So this device is just plug and play, in which you can use it already by plugging it into any 220 volts AC socket. So first, we will use this light bulb as a test object in order to test the functionality of this device. So in order to use this device, we need to clap. And to turn it off, we need to clap again. So you can purchase this product for a price of 500 pesos. And you can contact me at the details below. For any special request of a new product or services, or even repair and maintenance of electronic devices and products, you can contact me with these details. Always remember that if you can have it, then go grab it. This is Wrigley S. Patchop from Wrigley's Electronics, which turns your imagination into innovations.